just what is in me. Sometimes I just don't know what keeps me in your love. Why you never let me go? I thought you in me now. I fall and hurt you still. My Lord, please tell me how to know just how you feel. You have forgiven me too many times it seems. I feel I'm not what you might call a worthy Christian after all. And though I love you so, temptation finds its way to me. Teach me to trust you with all of my heart, to lean not on my own understanding. I just forget you won't give me what I can bear. Take me out of time, my Lord. I don't wanna be there. No, 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 no. Gotta be channel. You never let me side. You gave your hands to me to hold you, Jesus. I'm no longer in the cold. And when I be satisfied, I like to take you away. Not only when I feel the way. I never know a man who gives his life for sinners like me. And yet because he loves us so, his promise us eternity. And we have the promise, then it is teach me to trust you with all of my heart, to lean out on my own understanding. I just forget you won't give me what I can bear. Take me out of the dark, my Lord. Take us out to be alone. Take us out of the dark, my Lord. I don't wanna be there. No, 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 my teach me, man, with all of my heart. Lean out my own understanding. I just forget you won't get here when I can bear. But take it out of the dark, my Lord. It's never enough to be alone.
Stay, Rocky. Stay, Rocky. Ayaw na. Stay, Rocky.
Ano, wala ba rin ko nakita di? Ay, ito, okay ka ba rin nakita?